Gergely Karcsony is a Hungarian political scientist, politician, member of the National Assembly from 2010 to 2014 and current mayor of Budapest. He was elected mayor of Zagló in 2014. Karcsony worked for the Median Market and Public Opinion Research Company as a research manager. He became Director of Research in 2007. In addition to that, he worked as a lecturer at the Corvinus University of Budapest from 2004. He became a member of the newly formed Politics Can Be Different party in 2009. During the 2010 parliamentary election, he served as campaign manager of the party. He became a member of parliament from the Budapest regional list. In May 2010, he was elected deputy leader of the LMP parliamentary fraction. As a result, he left the Median firm. He was the party's candidate at the Budapest District 2 by-election in November 2011. He came third with 6.45% after Zsolt Lang and Katalin Levy. Both MSZP and LMP agreed that the candidate who received fewer votes would withdraw in favor of the stronger one. However, Karcsony also participated in the runoff. In January 2013, the LMP's Congress rejected electoral cooperation with other opposition forces, including Together 2014. As a result, members of LMP's Dialogue for Hungary platform, including Karcsony, announced their decision to leave the opposition party and form a new organization. Benedek Java, leader of the Dialogue for Hungary platform, said the 8 MPs leaving LMP would keep their parliamentary mandates. The leaving MPs established Dialogue for Hungary as a full-fledged party. In June 2014, Karcsony was elected co-chair of Dialogue for Hungary alongside Timur Szabo. When his predecessor Java became a member of the European Parliament in the 2014 European Parliament election, Karcsony won the mayoral election in Zagló during the 2014 local elections as a joint candidate of the Hungarian Socialist Party, Democratic Coalition, and the Together 2014 Dialogue for Hungary Alliance. According to the new rules, he also became a member of the General Assembly of Budapest in April 2017. Karcsony was re-elected co-leader of the Dialogue for Hungary and was also appointed as his party's candidate for the position of Prime Minister in the 2018 parliamentary election. The Hungarian Socialist Party also elected Karcsony as their candidate for the position of Prime Minister in December 2017. The two parties also decided to jointly contest the 2018 national election. Consequently, Together have terminated their cooperation agreement with the Dialogue for Hungary. Under the leadership of Karcsony, the MSZP-PM joint list received 11.91% and came only third after Fidesz and Jobbik. In June 2019, in the opposition's first primary election, he was elected as the opposition's candidate. While Jobbik did not endorse Karcsony outright, the party opted not to run a candidate against him. This left Karcsony as the sole opposition candidate for the position of Lord Mayor of Budapest in the 2019 local elections, against incumbent Lord Mayor István Tarlós, who was supported by the ruling coalition, Fidesz-KDNP. He then went on to win the election on 13 October 2019 with 50.86% of the votes being cast in his favor, with Tarlós receiving 44.10%. On Karcsony's initiative, the mayors of the capitals of all four Visegrad Group countries signed the Pact of Free Cities in Budapest in December 2019. The pact promotes common values of freedom, human dignity, democracy, equality, rule of law, social justice, tolerance and cultural diversity. In May 2021, 6 opposition parties formed a coalition against Fidesz and Viktor Orbán in the 2022 national elections. Karcsony announced that he would be the prime ministerial candidate of 3 parties, PM, MSZP and LMP in the 2021 primary elections.